Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue when transferring files on your Windows computer, where Windows appears to get stuck halfway or partially through the process of copying or transferring files from one location to another. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I just would recommend keeping in mind that some programs can be pretty large or some files can be very large, and the time remaining can be adjusted and go up and down as well during the process. So just because it doesn't look like anything is moving or the speed has dropped off significantly does not mean that it has stopped transferring. So just keep that in mind. That's one thing you do want to consider. Just give it some more time to run, and that is one consideration I would have. Something else I would look into as well would be if you're using different ports on your computer. Perhaps you're transferring between your computer hard drive and an external hard drive or flash drive. If you're using a USB 2.0 port to initiate the transfer or as the medium, you may want to switch it to a USB 3.0 port if a free one is available. That could definitely help boost the transfer speed. So that's something else I'd recommend taking a look at. And then finally, if you're just having issues just during your normal Windows session, just consider restarting your computer and then reinitiate the transfer process. So I would recommend restarting your computer. And then hopefully at this point, your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.